Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic. Can food reverse heart disease? In addition, we will discuss which foods to avoid to prevent the worsening of heart disease. First of all, let's discuss heart disease, commonly known as cardiovascular disease. Many conditions can harm your heart, increasing the risk of heart attack, heart failure, stroke, arrhythmia, and sudden cardiac arrest. Your heart's primary function is to supply blood to other organs so your body can function properly. If your heart does not work well, it can affect all parts of your body. This may lead to problems like chest pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, and visual disturbances. You will be pleased to know that there are many foods that when you learn about them and add them to your diet can help reverse your heart disease. Yes, you heard it right. There are not just a few, but many such foods. I will share details about these foods, including their additional benefits to reduce your symptoms and improve heart function. Now, I would like to share with you the food items that can help in reducing these risk factors associated with heart disease. First, let's talk about fruits. Vegetables such as green leafy veggies, edamame, carrots, and spinach are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some other vegetables include carrots, beans, asparagus, mushrooms, and cauliflower that can prevent the risk of heart disease. Now, talk about fresh fruits. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries, apples, bananas, and pomegranates are beneficial due to their high level of antioxidants, which may help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. It is important to keep your blood pressure balanced for good heart health. If you have a heart disorder, lowering your blood pressure is even more critical. Doing so can significantly reduce the risk of serious heart health issues like heart attack, stroke, kidney damage, and vision problems. To help with this, you can add whole grain foods to your diet such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These foods are good sources of fiber. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and supports heart health. Do you know that having a high cholesterol level in your blood can increase your risk of heart disease? That's why it's important to be mindful of the fats you eat. Some fats like trans fats and excessive saturated fat can raise your cholesterol levels. This can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis. Over time, this narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of heart attack and strokes. But don't worry, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acid ones found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can be good for your heart. They won't raise your cholesterol and may even help lower your risk of heart disease. So, when opting for fats, go for the healthy ones to keep your heart strong. Although we have discussed many foods so far, let's now discuss legumes. Another important food group that includes beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Legumes are beneficial for heart health because they are high in protein and fiber and low in fat. Adding legumes to your diet can help lower cholesterol and improve overall heart function. They also support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Study indicates that increased consumption of legumes decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Now, finally, let's talk about nuts and seeds and how they can help reduce your risk of heart disease. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and basil seeds are great choices. They provide a good amount of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which support heart health. You can incorporate them into your diet in a variety of ways. Sprinkle a handful of nuts or seeds on your meals, snacks, or soak them in water overnight and eat them on an empty stomach in the morning. To keep your heart healthy, strong, and free from heart disease. Eating a healthy diet along with eating at the right time and eating within the limits will prove to be very effective for you. However, there are many foods that can cause heart disease and hamper your recovery, which should be avoided as they can cause significant harm to your health. It is important to be aware of these foods. Some items are high in salt and sugar, while others, such as fruits containing natural sugar. When talking about added foods, they often have excessive amount of added sugar to sweeten them, including ingredients such as brown sugar, corn syrup, dextrose, fructose, glucose, high fructose corn syrup, raw sugar, and sucrose. That is why it would be better if you do not consume these foods. We have informed you about various food items, detailing which can be harmful and which can be beneficial. However, do you believe that changing your diet alone can resolve your illness? When someone is suffering from any disease, the first thing he thinks of is that he can get cured by staying at home and adopting home remedies. But what if your condition is very serious and even after trying all these remedies, you do not feel any relief? Maybe you do not know that even healthy food can be the solution to any problem only when it is combined with better treatment, and in such a situation, you have to adopt the best treatment which can free you from all the symptoms of heart disease, due to which you have to face many complications. And now, I am going to tell you the best treatment for heart disease. You can confidently choose Bharat Homeopathy, where our aim is to provide 100% natural remedies to our patients and help them recover naturally. Yes, you heard it right. We offer treatments tailored to each patient's specific condition and develop a diet plan which has a greater effect when followed along with homeopathic medicine. If you want to get relief from heart disease without any side effects and wish to see how homeopathic treatment can reverse your heart disease symptoms in just a few days, feel free to call us and start your treatment today. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like it and share it with others who could benefit. And remember to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.